Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Last night the kids and I watched Hans Gruber fall off the top of the tower, and that always marks the beginning of the Christmas season at our house. Although that's not true, we've already been decorated up since Thanksgiving, but that's always a moment for us. I sure hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday season so far. It's been much better than last year, although it sure seems to be shifting quickly these last couple weeks. So I wish you all the best, and that we get through this latest variant like champs, and we can get back together again soon. Speaking of that, we'll be seeing many of you at ISE in Spain, so long as they don't shut that thing down. But looking forward to that. I'm actually presenting a talk on proposals on better presentation, winning more projects. So hope to see you there if you're in town. A lot else going on here. We launched a couple of weeks ago proposal pages in French, and I believe Spanish launches this week. So you can now propose to your clients in those two languages, and then German is coming in the next couple of weeks. So you'll be able to propose in more and more languages over the course of winter and spring as we roll those out. Stock officially came out of beta last week, and many of you are now using stock. Many of you are still beginning to look at it. I wanted to let you know what we're building right now is because stock is really tied to using the Jetbuilt purchasing area, and we know only half of you use the Jetbuilt purchasing area. Half of you had purchasing workflows long ago that you're not wanting to move away from, and we understand that. And so we're now building this alternate workflow where stock, all of your inventory can be tracked, you can receive items and so forth with a very simple workflow that does not require you spitting out your POs from within Jetbuilt. So look for that in the next couple of weeks as that gets launched. There's also something really exciting we're building that we've been talking about. I mean, since 2017, at least 16, I think. And that is this engineering scrub workflow where you can require projects to pass through engineering before they can either be proposed, or for some companies after contract before they can go into purchasing. So an engineer can kind of certify each item, make some changes. Perhaps it's because availability, as we all know. Perhaps it's because this item's incompatible with that item, or perhaps just because maybe these TVs were the last year's model, the new model is X, and so they're going to make all those changes before they can release to the next project stage. And you can insert that either before proposals or before construction install. So that's going to be very exciting. Look for that early in January sometime. So that'll be your little Christmas present from Jetbuilt to all enterprise users. All right, I guess that's about it. I've got to get ready for the Jetbuilt Christmas party, so it's always a fantastic affair. And until next time, have a safe and wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you in January. All right, talk soon.